All right, it's Eric Hunter here, and I want to give you a quick dowsing tip. So this is a quick way that you can improve your dowsing very rapidly. And that tip is that the pendulum should always be moving during pendulum Q&A, or as they call it, pendulum dowsing, where you're asking a question and using your pendulum. So one of the biggest mistakes I see people doing is they take their pendulum and then they try to hold it and keep it completely still. Like I've even seen people like just staring at it and just trying to hold it perfectly still, as if keeping it still is going to somehow make it so that your answers are truthful or that they're not biased. It's a complete total mistake, because movement is the only way that a pendulum can show you an answer. So if you inhibit yourself by keeping the pendulum still, you are inhibiting the ability of the pendulum to indicate an answer. So this is super, super important. So when you have a pendulum, if it's a good pendulum for answering questions, it should start moving immediately like this when you hold it. Like it should take very little effort for it to move and change directions. So like I can easily, consciously or unconsciously get this thing to change directions very easily. This is the Asclepius pendulum, a really nice pendulum. And this is a good dowsing pendulum because it moves very easily. And when you hold it, it's very lively. It's almost dancing around. So the minute you pick up your pendulum to ask a question, it doesn't matter if you're doing it in the air, which I actually don't recommend, but a lot of you do that, or if you do it over a chart, which I do recommend. The pendulum should be moving right away. It should be in a state of constant motion. And if it's not, then there's something seriously wrong with your dowsing and you're not going to get accurate answers because you're inhibiting yourself. So I'm going to do another video on some understanding how dowsing works, but just wanted to get this out there as a quick tip to improve your dowsing ability immediately. Make sure that pendulum is moving right away. And if it's not, either get a different pendulum. So if you have one particular pendulum and you hold it and it doesn't move much, but then you pick up another one and it moves a lot, use the one that moves a lot. That's more than likely going to give you better results. And if it's not moving right away, make it move. Just sort of spin it around, like get it going. You want to just get this thing moving. Like, if you're really inhibited, put on some music and kind of like dance around with your pendulum and go crazy for a little while. Like get this thing, just make intentionally really spin it around. And obviously be careful, don't fly off and hit your computer or kill somebody or something, just kidding. But seriously, you want it moving around. So if you're inhibited, if you're all tight and just like, I got to keep it perfectly still, stop doing that immediately. It's going to really inhibit your ability to do dowsing. Okay, so moving pendulum is one of the keys to successful pendulum dowsing or pendulum Q&A. Hope that was a helpful video, and I will see you around. Bye.